So on the stand today, we've got live demonstrations that are with customers that are coming onto the stand to see the product. We get a better understanding of their requirements. They get to see the product as well. We haven't just got live demonstrations today. We've got our case studies on in the background. So this is where we go into customers who are using the product at the moment and follow their journey from start to finish. We've also got a finished product on the stand, which is the vanity hall unit that they've got there. So they use SWOOD from initial design all the way through to manufacture. So Solid Solutions came to the show today to speak to customers, existing customers, but also new customers that may have not heard us previously. Again, get a better understanding of what their requirements are and where we stack up against some of our competitors in those points as well.
SWOOD's a partner product for SolidWorks. It sits within inside of the software, and it's tailored to the joinery industry and building of cabinets, be that for shop fit-outs, bedroom fit-outs, offices. The application of it really is quite dynamic. So really it's kind of use or kind of purpose of why we came to the NEC for the materials show is to kind of link all of that together and work with customers and network with the different users to see how we can tailor ourselves to their business. And really help with their design through to manufacturing process.
So my highlight so far has been speaking to new customers that are completely new to CAD/CAM packages. So opening their eyes up from taking it from drawing on a piece of paper to actually 3D modelling and taking that through into manufacture. The benefits that they get from that, they don't even know themselves sometimes. So getting to show them the process from start to finish has been my highlight so far.
We have been able to speak to, I guess, a wide range of industry players, so from a networking standpoint it works very well, but also on the application to customers and being able to help them benefit from it in the application to their workplace, so by being able to offer solutions for them to improve their efficiencies, their workflows, and help with that manufacturing process. So some good connections have been established, and ultimately we'll look to build on that in the future.